Okay, so first of all, very good afternoon to you, sir. How are you doing this afternoon?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good too. Okay, so to start with, tell me your good name and also about your startup.
My name is Balraj Singh Apoorva. My startup name is Hacklab Solutions Private Limited. We are a safety automation and digitization company. We have developed from scratch few of the IoT devices and the AI-based solutions to ensure safety in the industrial premises.
Great, sir. So you can tell me as a startup, right? So what are the major milestones that we face since you've been in the how long has it been since you started?
Okay, it's been 5 years. We have started in January 2017. And the major challenges we had started is in terms of the technology, in terms of the problem statements. So we are keep on discussing early. We are running an innovation lab where we are keep on getting problem statements from the industries. And based on the problem statement, which problem statement is having the maximum potential in market, which we can commercialize, we had chosen few of the problem statements and start developing some products on that. And those products then we test in the real time in the industries, and this is how actually we started, and then we are replicating actually all those products in the different business vertical and the different industrial sectors, and this is how actually we are going. Some of the major challenges actually to reach to the customers, so to get those data lists, to get contacts of those exact concerned persons, we are actually attending these online conferences, exhibitions, meeting new persons from industries. So the major challenge is somehow, or most of the time, that we couldn't get the concerned person or the decision maker from the industry. So these exhibition and conferences are actually helping us a lot to reach to the exact person who will be the potential client for us.
That's great, sir. And I do understand, it's very hard to get the customer base, involved at times. So, as you know, that startups is basically a lot gets a lot of support from the government as well. So, if you can tell me what kind of support have you got from the state government, in terms of startup?
So from IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, and from Government of India's Science and Technology Department, we got a lot of grant for developing our products, as we are in safety domain, and now government is more concerned about these incidents or the accidents happening in the industrial premises. So we do get grant from them, but to get that grant, actually we do have a strong connection and a strong base, and we should have some important or the your useful products for the industries which are actually helping the mankind to solve a bigger problem in the society. This is the major concern point on which the government agencies are giving grants and providing grants to the startups. So this is the one point actually I think the startups should looking after, that it is solving a major problem or the actual real world problem which is helping a bigger society, bigger number of peoples. So they are definitely giving grants, and we have definitely got got a lot of help from because of that grants and those funds.
Yes, I totally agree on that as well. Okay, to go ahead, but can you tell me what are the future plans, or where do you see the startup going, and how has the response been till now?
So our response is really very good. Industries are actually appreciating our products and solutions. We are continuously exploring new marketplaces. We are having few inquiries from abroad also. They are also liking our solutions. Now we are in a phase to enter that international market. And India is also nowadays more aware about the safety, as mostly we are into the safety domain. So that domain is also now getting explored. All the major business verticals, like starting from steel industry to cement industry, now warehouse market is coming because of the e-commerce. So everywhere there is a huge potential, and they are actually appreciating our products. And the mouth publicity is the best achievement I think so far we are having, because people are meeting from different industrial persons. They are showing their problems and telling their problems to them, and that is how they come to know about us. Then they are approaching us. So this is how actually we are getting and we are getting expanding in the market.
Great, sir. It is great to know, and to learn a lot from you as well. And I wish you all the very best for the startup, and I hope it goes to greater heights. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with me.